You might be staring at some of those leftover desserts this week, maybe,
Yes.
I don't know, or looking the best way to satisfy that sweet tooth. A lot of times you hear, well, why don't you try dark chocolate? We've got Dr. Angela Tran joining us today. Thank you so
Happy
much.
holidays.
Happy holidays. Okay, dark chocolate. Why do we keep hearing about that as a good option?
Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorite superfoods. It's packed full of nutrients like fiber, iron, magnesium, potassium. You know, it actually is also a powerful antioxidant, so it's great for your immune system, especially this time of the year, and it's really good for memory and brain function.
Well, okay, so this isn't just like a cheat thing that you're
No.
like, maybe it's actually good, but maybe it's not. Okay, what is flavanol?
Oh my gosh. So dark chocolate actually has high levels of flavonols, which is a natural
didn't even
compound.
say it right, sorry.
I know, it's all good. You know, and it improves your blood flow, lowers your blood pressure. It can even reduce your risk for heart disease. So it's a really good supplement. And like I said, as a medical weight loss doctor, we're always looking for natural foods to promote your health.
Okay, so when we talk about dark chocolate, is there a percentage that you're supposed to be looking for? Like, what do you pay attention to?
Yeah,
when you
you
buy
definitely want to look for 70% dark chocolate because comparison to milk chocolate,
Right.
you know, dark chocolate has lower in sugar, lower in fat content. So you want to look at the differences so that you look at the healthy alternative, not the ones that can get you into trouble.
Okay, so you're talking 70% or higher. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. And how often? I mean, is this something you can do every day? Is it like
I wish you could just pop it, but you really can only have, you know, just a couple squares of a bar, you know, and a couple times each night actually, because it has magnesium, potassium. I tell patients that it can actually benefit your sleep, which is great. And if you have a sweet tooth, you know, you need that little
Just
bit of
something
sweetness
after dinner,
right after dinner, exactly. So, you know, like I said, this time of the year, it's great. And honestly, you can just transfer yourself to dark chocolate. You may not even miss milk chocolate.
Yeah. So sorry, to clarify, you said every day you could do it, or you shouldn't be doing it?
Not in moderation, obviously.
In moderation. Okay,
Yep,
yeah, you're talking like just a little bit every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it could be a good way because you feel like satisfied at the end of it. It's still chocolate.
Yes, yes. But the most important thing is there's so many natural things that you can incorporate into your diet. And so this is the time of the year where we can keep ourselves in check and not get into trouble.
I like it because it doesn't feel like it's not restrictive, right? It's like something you might enjoy anyway, but it actually does have a lot of health benefits to it.
It's still festive, and the reality is there's some people who can't even tell the difference, which is a bonus. And so might as well choose a healthy alternative for sure.
And still have a good time.
Yes.
I love it. Well, thank you so much for coming in early.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Thank you.